Hikateng jong candidate ki bayo he marks haman lagi subjects kepada jong ka commerce stream. Daya iri nong room kayo he mark ke English 92 marks, highest marks percentage 92 marks for English subject from Anderson Higher Secondary School Opar Nong Stone, and same for alternative English also. She scored 82 marks. And then Ria Das in Bengali 93 marks from Shillong Jill Road. Chanchira Sonat Chiti Sangma from Garo MIL 81 marks. Ritimra Di Sangma Garo subject 81 marks. Then Mamta Sharma in Hindi subject 73 marks. Then Cheerfully Mirbo in Khasi, she scored 94 marks from Mauranganeng. Shushma Thapa in Nepali subject 81 marks. Akshat Podar in accountancy 100 marks. Rishabh Purkayashtha business studies 100 marks. Belisan Mirbo computer science 91 marks. Rishabh Purkayastha in economics 93 marks. Rishabh Purkayastha in entrepreneurship 100 marks. Deitimai Mukim in entrepreneurship 100 marks. And Akshat Podar in informatics practice 98 marks, and Rishabh Purkayastha in mathematics 95 marks. Ni di kateng jong ki candidate ki bayo he marks kawe subjects te kidon ki bayo artly kidon ki bayo lightly we kateng te kidon ki bayo tang kawe ru. Thank you YouTube Krishbon.